Looking for the best laundry hampers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 laundry hampers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, StorageManiac Foldable Pop-Up Mesh Hamper. Great price even for 2 of them. Easy to store, lightweight and large enough to carry plenty of laundry. This hamper might not look great and may not last a lifetime, but it is very functional. Lightweight, mesh fabric prone to tear if too many clothes are put in hamper. At number 2. Household Essentials Double Hamper Laundry Sorter. Looks great and has 2 large compartments so sorting clothes is easy. Holds a lot, too. Big unit that looks great and makes pre-sorting easy. The best value laundry hamper on the market. Construction isn't quite as solid as some of the more expensive units. At number 1. BirdRock Home Oversized Divided Hamper with Liners. Large and divided so pre-sorting lights and darks is easy. Comes in 2 colors, espresso or honey, and is made of natural fibers. Looks great as far as laundry hampers go. Best hamper on the market, but it is expensive. Looks great and its clever design makes pre-sorting of laundry easy. Expensive and bulky, so you'll need a lot of room for it. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.